Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm EDC Color, and today I just want to make a quick little vid to ask you: would you swap your 16610 pre-ceramic sub to a new ceramic sub? I just want to know. I'm curious because there are lots of pluses and minuses. First of all, the new one is freaking amazing. It just looks good, feels good, it's made good, it's superb in terms of quality to the older one, especially the older one from the 90s, because the aluminum subs are really, really below par in terms of quality of the bracelet. Well, the movement is pretty much same. I'm talking not here 41 mils, but 41 mils, as I think it's really just came out this year, and I don't think you can easily get it, but I think it's a great watch. However, I'm talking here about the 1166110 and the 16610. So the older one, the bracelet is hollow. I know because I have one. The bracelet is hollow, feels flimsy. It's like a Seiko bracelet, maybe a bit better than a Seiko bracelet, but it's not up to these standards. And I'm a big bracelet guy, and I do enjoy wearing a good bracelet, especially in summer days. Like summer is coming now, up in here, up at the North Hemisphere. However, there are other things to consider. Everyone's saying that the 16610 feels nicer. It has better proportions on the wrist. It has that charm and appeal and whatnot, but I think that's just consolidation to replace the lack of quality of the bracelet. And I don't know. I do have 16610, and I'm thinking about upgrading it. That's the dilemma I've been fighting in my head. Maybe one day, the 16610 will be like the two liners nowadays. It's gonna be vintage, and it's gonna go up in price and whatnot. But at the end of the day, if you are not satisfied completely with your watch, and there's a better version out there, so you've been driving a V6 and you want to upgrade to V8, I think you should do it. Do not calculate unless your watch has some sort of a sentimental value. You don't want to sell it, or you can afford to have both down. That's an idea. That's a good idea. So unfortunately, I cannot. Something has to go out before something comes in, and however, I think the ceramic one is more usable, user-friendly, everyday piece that can serve you. You don't have to worry about water resistance and all that stuff, because 16610, especially early ones, and mine are early from the 90s, they are becoming vintage. But I had a rotor issue which I had to fix or replace. I had a rooted rotor, but other than that, it's a lovely watch, especially on the nails and leather bands. And there's a reason I've been putting it on those bands and whatnot, because I am a bracelet guy. I love a good bracelet, and the good bracelet on the ceramic one with the glide lock and the solid links and everything is just miles ahead in terms of quality compared to the rest one. Sure, the older one, you may argue it's more comfortable on the wrist. Well, it's quite comfortable, but the new one is also quite comfortable, because my friend has a ceramic one, and I checked it out. I wore it. It's equally as comfortable. It does not rattle. It's not a readily thing. So contemplating what should I get? Should I get next? Should I do this or that? What would you do? I'm wondering if you have the 610 sub, older ceramic with a crappy bracelet, would you swap it out for would you upgrade it for the newer 116 610 ceramic one? That's my question. And will the older pre-ceramic become collectible like the 1580 or older ones with two liners? You never know, but I think you should do what makes you happy, because I don't like banking on some future collectability when I can enjoy it today and I don't care about the future. And the fact is, this one is a better piece and better watch in terms of quality. So I think it's gonna be equally good for the future.